happy whatever day I put this up. No, I'm just playing. I'm going to probably put this up on Tuesday or Wednesday. So happy Tuesday or Wednesday morning. This is my Boxycharm for May. I just received it Saturday, I believe. We got our handy dandy little calculator. Welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Erica. This is Erica LOL Beauty and Reviews. I try to be very consistent. I'm at least trying to do 3 a week. So my videos may go up Monday, Wednesday, Friday. They may go up Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. But they go up at least 3 times a week, except for last week when I was having a really hard time with stuff. And this week, I'm trying to get all 3 videos recorded on Monday because we had a friend die yesterday. He died of COVID. He was our age, perfect health, never had a problem, never had any other problems. Ended up with COVID, and now he passed away. So yeah, it's getting really hard out in the world, and I just wanted people to know that he didn't drink, he didn't smoke, he's never done drugs. He had 3 kids and a beautiful fiance that no longer have their daddy or their fiance from this horrible disease. So even if you think you can't get it, you could be the healthiest person around and still end up with it. So just take the right precautions. Wash your hands. Try to stay 6 feet apart from people. Wear your mask if you haven't been vaccinated. Honestly, wear your mask if you have. From what I understand, that isn't 100% sure that you won't get it if you have the vaccination, but you have the vaccination protection plus the mask protection. You're kind of doing okay on that one. So just my little rant for the day that I wanted to give to y'all so that you could have the information and be safe. Love you. So let's get to this box, which is what you came to see, right? This month is Flourish. It's right here. I love this. It says it is, I think this is the new number system right there. It says BAC210512BA. I guess that's the new way they're doing this. All right. The first item in here that I see is the Step 3 Moisturizer Hydrate Murad Environmental Shield City Skin Overnight Detox Moisturizer. And it says use it at night all over your face, neck, and chest. Detoxify and revitalize your skin overnight with a daily dose of pollution and blue light from electronic devices. Oh, a daily dose of this stuff can mess with your skin. So this is what it looks like. It's got one of these little push top things on it. I've never had a product with this, but I don't want to break the barrier. So I'm not going to push it right now because even though it's in there, I'm pretty sure if I break that barrier by pressing on it, we're opening it. So just to let y'all know, I'm currently testing like 3 skincare products that was sent to me by the company. And I'm not going to try that just yet. So we're just going to leave it the way it is. That is Murad City Skin Overnight Detox Moisturizer. Breakthrough formula contains supercharged antioxidants to neutralize pollutants and strengthen skin's barrier while you sleep. MSRP $74. Alright, and once again, this box is a monthly box. They have 2 other boxes. I don't get those other 2 boxes. This one is $25 plus tax. I think it comes out to what comes out of Jason's checking account is $27. So $74 more than paid for this box. So that's not bad at all. That is something that I wouldn't have gone and bought, honestly, myself. So if you're like me and you're really cheap and you wait for really good sales, this is like a monthly really good sale. You should be, most people in America should be able to find $27 to have on a credit card or a checking account card or checking account or in their PayPal by the end of the month. I say that as a person who has lived broke and still found money for cigarettes. So I know it can be done, that you can find the money. If anything, I wouldn't say this is a necessity. If you are looking for that one treat that you could give yourself for under $30 a month, this is it. That's what I'm saying. If you are having a hard time, that $30 can go towards diapers. That $30 can go towards food for your house, could go towards rent, could go towards paying your gas bill, could put gas in your car. So this is not a necessity. If you are personally looking for that one thing you could give yourself every month because you have that money to be able to do it, like you have an extra $50 a month that you try to figure out what you can do with, that's after savings and everything else that you do, this is it. This one, I've not been disappointed. I mean, you may be, but I haven't been yet. I mean, I wouldn't buy this. And if all you have at the end of the month is that $50 or that $30, you're not going to buy this either. But you could pay $30 and get this and 4 other products and get what things you wouldn't normally go buy yourself. That's what I'm saying. If you can do it. So I'm lucky enough that I have that $30. Not a whole ton more because we've been doing a lot of work on the house. In fact, this room's getting painted. All the rooms are getting painted. We're treating ourselves by saving the money we would normally would have put towards cigarettes, and we're gonna repaint the inside of the house. I might have to redo the floor in the bedroom because I noticed around my chair for my desk, I'm like ranting on here a lot today. But the chair around my desk, the floor, we thought we paid good money for these floors. Obviously we didn't. I'm not even going to announce how much it is because around the bottom of where my chair sits, it's white. The wood has come up off the floor. Literally. I thought it was wood. We were obviously lied to. So it's very disappointing. Anyways, let's get back to this. I don't know why I keep ranting. Okay, we are going to go with the Hydrating Hybrid 2-in-1 Lipstick Balm by Sophia and Mabel. Oh, I love the component. Look at that. That's like really pretty. And that is a dark color. I'm not going to touch it. I'm going to put the lid back on it. I'm not sure if I'm going to use this, so I don't want to. It's called Weekend Getaway. It's got ethyl hexyl. They got a lot of big words. They got vitamin E at the end here. Not for resale. Sophia and Maribel Hydrating Hybrid. This Hydrating Hybrid is a lipstick and lip balm in one. It's packed with vitamin E to keep those lips silky smooth, but with the full coverage of a satin finish lipstick. Bring this baby with you anywhere you go and apply when you need a little extra moisture with a subtle pop of color. $15. I don't want to put this on my lips or on my skin because I might end up giving this to one of y'all in a giveaway because that color is just not one for me. So I would swatch it for you, but I don't want to ruin it. Alright, the next thing I see in here is my daily dose of Uplift Smooth and Lift, a cocktail of collagen, coenzyme 10, and hyaluronic acid encapsulated serums from Japan. Looks like that. I love serums. I'm going to go ahead and take this out of the packaging so we can see what it looks like. It looks like there's some little bubbles in there. I love how that looks. That is so pretty. Alright, let's look and read what it says. Skin Ink, which I love some stuff I've gotten from them before. My daily dose of Uplift, the skin reviving serum with encapsulated collagen, coenzyme 10, and hyaluronic acid delivers anti-aging power punch, giving you smoother, firmer, and younger looking skin. MSRP is $65. Which makes sense because I think it was Skin Ink. What's the name of this place? Yeah, Skin Inc. I have to look it up, but it might not have been. But there was a truffle therapy thing that I got. No, that was Skin & Co, I think. Anyways, they were really expensive, but I wanted to buy the whole thing. My mom has an oil that I had out of it. And it shows, I love this. It's not been open. I like that. That is good. We're going to leave that right there. $65. This box is doing pretty good. Alright, we have the Trasique Refillable Brow Pencil and Gel in Mocha. I love their stuff. That is so neat. Alright, so this is the brow gel. I mean, the brow. That's the pencil with straw. I don't know if that's going to be too light. Alright, and then this came out the bottom. I'm guessing this is the gel. Yeah. And that's brown. Probably should just twist it instead of pulling it out. No wonder it's refillable though, because you could just pop it back in. Can you do that at the top one? Oh, you can do that with the top one. That's nice. So that takes, you don't have to worry about getting the whole thing over again. You just get the bottom piece and the top piece. I like that. It says it is refillable brow pencil and gel. Super sleek 2-in-1 brow pencil is 100% refillable. Keep your forever case and refill your brow pencil and gel to your heart's content. From the materials of the packaging, everything was developed through lens of sustainability. Better for you and the planet. The brow pencil features a triangular shape tip to define brows, while flexible tinted gel on the other side grooms and sets everything. MSRP is $26. I like that. That's interesting. I hope that works out. And I hope I like that because, but it's refillable, so I could always buy a different color to refill it if the color is too dark, right? I mean, too light. And you can buy like the clear brow gel if you prefer the brow gel to be clear like I do. Alright, the last thing in here is CAB Cosmetics, the lip gloss I like that I got. This is the Day and Night palette, it looks like. Yeah, eyeshadow palette. This palette has a new formula and new sustainable packaging with 18 highly pigmented shades to create looks for both day and night, all in one product. Use the softer, lighter shades to create your favorite daytime looks and play around with the bolder, darker shades for a more intense nighttime look. MSRP is $52. Alright, let's go ahead and look inside. I love the packaging of this. This looks kind of familiar, like, not exactly sure. This shade called my name and Moon Dust called my name. Not exactly sure where these shades look familiar from. Moon Dust does remind me, that's why it called my name. It reminds me of Glass Bowl from Colourpop. But the shades together, when I open this, it reminds me of something. If anybody could tell me what it reminds you of, all these shades together remind me of something, and I'm not sure. I'm not sure what they remind me of. The colors aren't telling me either. Georgia Peach, Golden Hour, Stella, Sand, Cocoa. There's a lot going on in here, and I like it. I like how if you take your hand and put it right here, you have like two different palettes. Because these kind of seem like they would go together in those. I don't know. I like this though. This is a good box. I got a good amount of makeup. I got 2 makeup items, 3 makeup items, and this is like a duo item. And then 2 skincare items. So it's a good mix. And the value of this box for paying $20, $27, the value was $232. So over $200 for $27. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and Eric's coming to get milk. So I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.